Ministry of Communications is a union ministerial agency under the Government of India responsible for telecommunications and postal service. It was carved out of Ministry of Communications and Information Technology on the 19th of July 2016. It consists of two departments, viz. Department of Telecommunications and the Department of Posts. Ministry of Communication and Information Technology was bifurcated into Ministry of Communications and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, also known as the Dor Sanchar Vibhag. This department concerns itself with policy, licensing and coordination matters relating to telegraphs, telephones, wireless, data, facsimile and telematic services and other like forms of communications. It also looks into the administration of laws with respect to any of the matters specified. Namely, a need was felt in the year 2007 to distinctly address the issues of communication network security at DOT level, consequent to enhancement of FDI limit in telecom sector from 49% to 74% and therefore a new wing named Security was created in DOT. The Department of Post are in urban areas. It has 25,585 departmental POS and 129,388 BPOs. At the time of independence, there were 23,344 post offices, which were primarily in urban area. Thus the network has registered a sevenfold growth since independence, with the focus of the expansion primarily in rural areas. On an average, a post office serves an area of 21.56 square km and a population of 7,753 people. This is the most widely distributed post office system in the world. The large numbers are a result of a long tradition of many disparate postal systems which were unified in the Indian Union post-independence. Owing to this far-flung reach and its presence in remote areas, the Indian Postal Service is also involved in other services such as small savings banking and financial services, with about 25,464 full-time and 139,040 part-time post officers. It offers a whole range of products under posts, remittance, savings, insurance and philately. While the Director General is the head of operations, the Secretary is an advisor to the Minister. Both responsibilities are undertaken by one officer. The DG is assisted by the Postal Services Board with 6 members. The 6 members of the board hold portfolios of personnel, operations, technology, postal life insurance, banking, planning respectively. Shri Ananta Narayan Nandar is the Secretary Additional Director General. Shri Vishwanath Tripathi, Member. Shri Salim Haku, Member and Shri Vaneet Pandey, Member and Chairman, Investment Board. The national headquarters are at Delhi and functions from Dak Bhavan located at the junction of Parliament Street and Ashoka Road. The total revenue earned including remuneration for savings bank and savings certificate work during the year 2016-17 was 11,511 crore rupees and the amount received from other ministries, departments, as agency charges was 730.90 crore rupees and expenditure is 24,211.85 crore rupees during 2016-2017 against the previous year expenditure of 19,654.67 crore rupees. The increase was mainly due to payment of increased pay and allowances consequent upon implementation of 7th Pay Commission recommendations, leave encashment during LTC, cost of materials, oil, diesel, revision of service tax on Gov. Buildings etc. Lack of proper investment in infrastructure and technology is the reason for such low revenue. The present top management has already started investing in latest technology to improve the infrastructure. Quality of service is being improved and new products are being offered to meet the competition. The field services are managed by postal circles, generally conforming to each state, except for the northeastern states. India has been divided into 22 postal circles, each circle headed by a chief postmaster general. Each circle is further divided into regions comprising field units, called divisions, headed by a postmaster general. further divided into divisions headed by SSPOs and SPOs. Further divisions are divided into subdivisions headed by ASPs and IPs. Other functional units like circle stamp depots, postal stores depots and mail motor service may exist in the circles and regions. Besides the 23 circles, there is a special circle called the base circle to cater to the postal services of the Armed Forces of India. Army Postal Services is a unique arrangement to take care of the postal requirement of soldiers posted across the country. Department of Posts personnel are commissioned into the Army to take care of APS. The base circle is headed by an additional Director General, Army Postal Service holding the rank of a Major General. The DOP is governed by the Indian Post Office Acts, 1898. Other than the traditional postage service, in order to keep up with the age, many new services have been introduced by the department. As MOS, independent charge till the 10th of July 1996.